Hi, I'm Ivan James Stay of 7 Nakpil. Today I'm going to show you the procedures in face mask making. The materials we're going to use are scissors, pencil, needle and thread, ruler, elastic band, marker, used cloth, and bond paper. First is we're going to measure the length and width of the paper, 15 centimeters. Next is we're going to measure 3 centimeters from the line. Then we are going to draw a line. Then we're going to mark the middle. We're going to draw a curved line, but the top line has to be thinner than the bottom line. Next, we're going to measure 5 centimeters from the top. Then we're going to make a line from the top. From the bottom, we're going to measure 3 centimeters. And we're going to connect the inside line. Next is we're going to cut the pattern. Next step is we're going to apply the pattern in the used cloth. Next is we're going to cut the pattern. We need 4 pieces of the cloth. After we cut the cloth, we're going to hand sew the curved part. After sewing, we're going to attach the bows of the cloth. And we're going to sew the top part and the bottom part. After we've sewn the cloth, we're going to flip upside the cloth. And we're going to attach the two elastic band to make the ear holder. Then we're going to hand sew. This part. After we've sewn the both sides, this is the final product.